GAS, or Gear Acquisition Syndrome, is a terrible condition we're at risk of catching any time of year, but you're most at risk during the holiday season. Now, I could stand here and try to convince you that you don't need that shiny new camera, synthesizer, or chainsaw to overcome your creative block, but screw that, we're a learning channel. So instead, here's some tips for making the most out of your new gear. Start a new project to use your gear in. Instead of trying to convince yourself or your significant other that you really need to get this thing to overcome your creative block, start a new project that requires this new piece of gear. Everyone knows creative projects are the best way to learn, and studies show that you're 69 times more likely to use your new gear if you have a project to use it in. So instead of feeling guilty when you're hovering over that checkout button, rest assured you're doing your new project and partner a favor, and they'll thank you for it. Everything's better together. Buying a new piece of gear doesn't just get you a new toy to play with, it also buys you a ticket into an exclusive community of other enthusiasts, a community of practice where you can discuss the product with other creatively blocked individuals. Everyone knows social learning and building collective knowledge through communities is vital for effective learning, and the psychological benefits are through the roof. Once you realize how far behind others are in their work, the holiday blues will melt away and you'll be feeling a whole lot better about yourself and your purchase. Give the gift of something old so you can receive the gift of something new. Tragically, many people just like you are equally affected by GAS during the holiday season. Luckily, you can help these people by selling them your old gear on eBay or Marketplace, giving you a boost in cash and a greater need to buy that new piece of gear that you're after. For all involved, it's win-win. Teach someone how to use it. There's no better way to bond with your new gear than to learn all the ins and outs of how it works. Then once the two of you have become acquainted, immediately find someone else and teach them how to use it. Learning something with the intention to teach others makes you pay more attention to all those little features and different nuances of the product, which gets you more mentally invested. And the best part is, once you teach others how to use it, they'll want to start using yours more and more, which will give you the excuse to let them have it so you can get the new one next year. This year, don't be selfish. Give yourself the gift of tools and a learning experience to go along with it. You deserve it. And to make sure you follow through on that project with this new piece of gear, follow this guide for running your creative project without deadlines, because the last thing you need is more stress during these holidays. I'll see you there.